have been working around the clock to pull this off. And when I say we, I don't just mean our staff, I mean like the Maverick Landing youth. It's been really all hands on deck, and it's been a lot of fun. And hopefully we'll be able to do this again and again and share this space and build the community together. So thank you for coming out.
How we doing tonight? Oh, whoa, come on, we're here to celebrate. How's everyone doing tonight? Thank you. So again, I'm Adrian Madro, the state rep. I want to give a big thank you to Rita and all her team at Maverick Landing Community Services. And I also want to thank all the folks at the Eddy putting this together. This was actually an idea that Rita and I came up with in conversation when we were trying to think, how can we create community down here with all the new dynamics, all the new folks that are coming in? It's really important that we're unified and that we're one East Boston and that we're all working together. And so this was the fruit of that idea. And here we have the connector, the Maverick Connector. And this is the first event that we're actually trying to bring the various communities here together.
That culture empowers youth and makes our community stronger.
Meet neighbors, establish friendships, and ultimately let's all have a wonderful and safe summer.